Thymovar, a natural summer treatment with thymol for moderate Varroa infestation levels for honeybee colonies, nucleus or swarms. Thanks to a good queen and brood tolerability, Thymovar is preferred as a long-term treatment and as protection against reinfestations. Ideal for treatment in mini-plus hives or after a first summer treatment with formic acid. The treatment is carried out after the honey harvest and the first feed. The inspection tray is closed and the flight opening is open to a width of 10 to 15 centimeters. Cut open the packaging and apply the number of strips or half strips as required. Place the strips 4 to 10 centimeters away from the brood cells directly over the brood frames. A distance of 1 to 2 centimeters between the strips and the cover of the hive is ideal for evaporation. Do not cover the strips with a plastic foil. The strips should be removed after 3 to 4 weeks. The colony is then fed. Subsequently, or at the latest by mid-September, a second treatment should be applied with new strips. The best efficacy is achieved by daytime maximum temperatures of between 20 and 25 degrees Celsius.